Hi, welcome back to Generate channel. Today we have Dr. Ramakrishna Aradula, the COO of Genkless Pharma Private Limited and the research head of Genurved with us. Today let's talk about what is rheumatoid arthritis.
Welcome back to Genurved channel. I'm Dr. Ramakrishna Aradula, COO of Genkless Pharma Private Limited. Today, let us discuss about Curcurine and its implications and action against rheumatoid arthritis. In fact, rheumatoid arthritis is defined as the autoimmune disorder. Autoimmunity is one thing, our own body's defense mechanism, it attacks our own joints. This will result into swelling, pain and stiffness in the joints. This is called rheumatoid arthritis. You have certain confirmation tests also to confirm it that it is rheumatoid arthritis by way of laboratory test, which we call it as RA factor checking. That means if the RA factor is more, what happens is you can confirm that this patient is having rheumatoid arthritis. The rheumatoid arthritis, in fact, it depends upon the aging. Second thing is environmental factors, and third one is genetics is also responsible for this rheumatoid arthritis. Aging, you know very well, even early aging also causes this particular problem. And second thing is genetics. If you have anybody in the house with the same RH factor, that may continue in the coming generation and you may suffer with this particular rheumatoid arthritis. But however, this rheumatoid arthritis is definitely a matter to be tackled, and you have to treat that particular rheumatoid arthritis immediately. The symptoms of this particular rheumatoid arthritis, normally in rheumatoid arthritis, all the small joints will involve. There is a joint stiffness, pain, sometimes swelling, sometimes it becomes difficulty to do any function. This is called morning stiffness. We cannot get up in the morning because of the joint stiffness and everything. It takes some time. And what happens is the quality of life or the ability to do anything is definitely drastically reduced because of this particular joint stiffness, pain and difficulty in performing. However, this particular rheumatoid arthritis can be tackled with our product called Curcurine. As I discussed in earlier episodes, this Curcurine is a byproduct of Curcumin, or the Curcumin is extracted from turmeric. In fact, there is an instance and there is a discussion about this particular rheumatoid arthritis. Let us implicate it like that in Mahabharata war. Bhishma Pitamaha, in fact, he just joined in the war after applying this particular turmeric, gel or turmeric on the joints, and he attended the war. That speaks that he used to have the joint pains and everything. That may be rheumatoid arthritis. In those days, they might not have qualified it as a rheumatoid arthritis, but they have quantified and qualified it as Keela Vata. This is what exactly in Sanskrit it is written. Anyway, we got the instances of this rheumatoid arthritis during Mahabharata time. As I discussed, this particular Curcurine is a product of Curcumin, and Curcumin is extracted from turmeric. The problem with Curcumin, I have discussed in earlier episodes also, the absorption rate of this Curcumin is only 5%. First thing is that Curcumin availability in turmeric is only 5%, and whatever Curcumin you give to the body, only 5% will be absorbed. The first challenge is I have given 95% Curcumin in my tablet called Curcurine. And 100% absorption is assured because I have added another substance called piperine, which is extracted from pepper. This particular piperine enhances the absorption of this particular Curcumin. Now Curcumin is available 100% to your body. But we require, because of the powerful action of this particular Curcumin, we have added certain amplifiers to the Curcumin, that is called first galangol. Galangin is a substance which is extracted and derived from this particular galangol, and we have added along with the Curcumin, which gives you amplification of this Curcumin power. In fact, another amplifier called gingerol from ginger, we have added that also to this particular tablet. So the particular power of Curcumin is amplified. Another amplifier what we have added is, of course, the other name of this particular other amplifier is Tulasi, holy basil, and it is an adaptogen. Adaptogen means it going to complete the work what body requires. Right now, what we require amplification of this particular curcumin power. Yes, this particular holy basil or tulasi acts as an amplifier, and it is the one which delivers to the exact site of this particular requirement. This is the power of this particular Curcurine tablets. If you take the mode of action against this particular rheumatoid arthritis, as I described earlier, this rheumatoid arthritis is inflammation of the small joints. The inflammation starts with fingers, toes, elbow, and what to call all the joints got involved in this particular rheumatoid arthritis. Normally, rheumatoid arthritis occurs between 40-45 years of age. Of course, nowadays we cannot classify the age group and everything. And definitely, in even 30 years, people also getting this rheumatoid arthritis because of various factors and early aging factor. I have already discussed this. Curcumin works as anti-aging also. That is one power we are having for rheumatoid arthritis. Second power is, this is a powerful anti-inflammatory. It has got a powerful action against this NFK kappa B, nuclear factor kappa B. This is a inflammatory or pain mediator. This particular Curcurine reacts with this particular kappa B. And the second action is, it reduces the production of cytokines. I think we have discussed at length about the COVID and post-sequelae of the COVID and everything, how cytokine storm has created a havoc for us. These cytokines are responsible for the pain and inflammation. That also is reduced by this particular. The production of cytokines itself is going to be arrested with this particular Curcurine. That means automatically pain, swelling, all these things will get reduced with this Curcurine. And next action is, this Curcurine is a powerful antioxidant. That is called oxidative stress. When this oxidative stress is focused to the joints, you will get this particular rheumatoid arthritis. And this is being a powerful antioxidant. It scavenges this particular free radicals and removes this particular oxidative stress. Don't you feel this particular Curcurine is a powerful product for rheumatoid arthritis? The action of this particular product may start within 5 days and it may persist up to 90 days. People are using continuously and they are getting, some people are getting drastic results, some people are getting results very slowly because of the various factors which is available in the body. But however, unlike other medicines which is painkillers, this particular Curcurine directly acts at the root cause, as I have discussed just now. The root cause is removed, automatically this rheumatoid arthritis get cured. Kindly use this particular Curcurine, and Curcumin is delivered to you once you call this particular phone number, and the Curcurine will reach to your house. Thank you very much. Subscribe చేసుకోండి, share చేసుకోండి, like చేయండి.